Elite Rapping class. I knew nothing about it. They were super hands-on, well worth the money. Walked you through everything. It was really great. Loved it.
Tate was amazing. He taught me a lot of stuff. I still have a lot of practice to work on, and kind of it's going to take everybody practice, but he taught us what we need to know to kind of start, and it's been a great class.
This class was very hands-on. It's not like your typical class. It's not just instruction where someone talks to you and tell you about it. You're fully hands-on, and I feel fully prepared to wrap caskets and cars after this class.
Really took from this class more of the failure areas is where I struggled when it came to mirrors, bumpers, stuff like that. This class really helped clear up how to get those perfectly without any failures. And I'm just looking forward to taking all the skills I've learned from this class and really just applying them to the business and seeing where we can go from there.